So in this video, we're going to learn how to translate a shape across a coordinate plane. When you see the word translation, you're going to slide the shape either to the left or right based on the rule. So in this example, it says graph the translation of a quadrilateral ABCD 5 units to the left and 3 units down. Write the coordinates of the original and new figure. Okay, so my rule, because it says 5 units to the left, it's going to be x minus 5 because left is negative, right is positive. And then it's going to be y, because that's my y-axis, up or down, minus 3. So that's going to be my rule that I'm going to use. When I do this, I have to write my original points. So I have A, B, C, and D. So my original point is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5. I have B. I have to find what B is. That one is going to be 5, 4. I have C, which is 5, negative 1. And then I have D, which is going to be 1, negative 2. So from here, I now have to use the rule to help me translate my figure. So here's going to be my image, and that always means that that's my new figure. So you use what's called this prime notation, and this is indicating that this is going to be the new figure. Your new figure is always going to have this prime symbol when you label your points. So I'm going to use my rule, and I'm going to go 5 units to the left. So I'll start at A. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3 down, and that's going to be my A prime. I'm going to do the same thing with B. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, and 1, 2, 3 down. That's going to be my B prime. I'm going to do that with C. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to label it C prime. I'm going to do the same thing using the rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make my shape. So connect all my points. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to now write my new points. So A is negative 3, 2. B is 0, 1. C is going to be 0, negative 4. And then D is going to be negative 4, negative 5. I could do that too if I did 2. If I took this point and I did 2 minus 5, that gives me negative 3. And then I did 5 minus 3, that gives me 2. So I can use my rule to do that. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Negative 2 minus 3 gives me a negative 5. That's how I can know I'm correct. So my next example, this one says translate the figure 6 units to the right and 2 units up. So if I wanted to write my rule, it would be x plus 6, because I'm going to the right, and then y plus 2, because I'm going up. I would write my original points, and I'm going to look at A, B, and C. My A point is going to be negative 5, negative 4, so I'm just finding where the point is on the graph. B is going to be negative 2, 2, and C is going to be negative 2, negative 4. So now using my rule, I'm going to find my new or my image after I translate it. So my image, I'm going to go 6 to the right and 2 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And I'm going to label it A prime. I'm going to go to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. I'm going to go to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Now I have slid my shape into the new spot or translated it. So now I'm going to go through my points. I have A prime, B prime, and C prime. These are my image points. So I have 1, comma, -2 for A. For B, I have 4, comma, 4. And for C, I have 4, comma, -2. How you could check is plug it back into the rule. So -5 plus 6, that gives me 1. -4 plus 2 gives me -2. -2 plus 6 gives me 4. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. -2 plus 6, that gives me 4. -4 plus 2 gives me -2. Now I know that is my new shape. I have my rule, I have my original, and I have my image.